Explain is how this Birmingham flush handle installs into the Birmingham system. So obviously, for starters, put the handle through the hole in the side there. Simply put the cover plate on that way around. Now screw the blue back nut so it's nice and tight. The next step to do is get the mechanism and make sure those two slits there line up with the slits on the mechanism handle coming through. So line them up like so, then screw this back nut on, tighten this back nut up, and then tighten the second back nut, and then that holds it so it springs back up. Now it is normal for this to be a little bit loose, but once that's completely tightened into place, and that's tightened, once the water pressure gets on it, that will tighten up a little bit more, but it is normal for a little bit of slack there. So hold down and let go is full flush, up and let go is half flush. Thank you.